get up in the morning, but I think that's just from the way I sleep.
More stomach, back side.
It's like half side, half stomach. I'm working on sleeping on my back.
Okay.
I give it like 30 to 60 minutes every night, trying to. Sometimes I can, sometimes I can't. It's getting more frequent where I'm able to do it, but
Yeah.
still pretty sporadic.
Feel the muscles still twitching back there.
Yeah.
I always like to fight how tight they are. They don't want to be where they're supposed to be, so they always raise a protest.
Well, that's why I'm here.
Of course. Yeah, Ella posted a video, or we posted one of Ella's videos of like treating a kid, and
Yeah.
within like 12 hours she had like 10,000 views.
Oh, that's
It was
awesome.
like crazy amount of time. And this one lady, we had a couple patients that have been begging, like, "Oh, can you make a video with me? Like, post it, see what happens." Yeah, sure. And one of them was like a 9-minute video, and within 2 weeks it had 10,000 views on that one too.
Well, that's great.
But then like SEO wise, it's been pretty cool because since YouTube is Google basically,
Yeah.
it's been boosting like a lot of traffic to the website and all that stuff.
Oh,
So
good.
all the markers you like to see have been increasing. And Kevin's like, since he's so old school, he's like, this is why I don't want to do this anymore. This is why I just want to work. I don't want to be in charge anymore.
Doing this stuff is cheaper than paying for like a TV commercial.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Like, if you can do it yourself, it's easy.
Yeah. Yeah, we just make the content. We just have a contract. We have a company we contract that like chops it all up, makes it all fancy. And they're based out of it. I want to say they're out of England.
Oh, really?
Yeah. There's a buddy of mine who, or one of my old rugby coaches.
Okay.
Someone he knew. They got in contact with him. There's some like AI platforms too that you can do. Use like they'll chop up video and like make one for you. It's pretty cool.
Oh, cool.
I don't have time to try and learn that.
It's complicated. I think it's all about AI is like all about giving it the right prompts.
Yeah. So I was like spending at a break between patients. So I went to a conference last week, 2 weeks ago in Atlanta, and the one guy's like an AI guru dude, and he gave us a video on like, here's like I'm gonna make you like 4 minutes, take a deep breath in, and like he gave it a 4-minute video, and then on how to ask it to make a prompt.
Oh, okay.
And then and then the prompt was to get the AI to talk like you. So whatever content you ever have in text, put that in there, and that'll spit out a prompt to make a custom GPT for you. Deep breath in, and then that way you can say, okay, write me this piece of content that sounds like me, like I'm talking or writing it.
Oh, like in your like.
But in my voice.
Like your actual voice, or just like
written voice.
Speak,
Yeah,
like
written voice.
You,
Yeah, how you talk, how you
like
how you type, how you
your
write.
mannerisms.
Yeah.
Like, okay. Vernacular.
Yeah, vernacular,
Yeah.
or like style too. Like if you say, okay, well, I want you to talk. Like I want to talk like some football coach, right? Or
Okay.
like some other motivational speaker thing, or pretty cool.
Yeah, I tried messing with it once, asking it to make a picture of a politician crashing through a wall like the Kool-Aid Man, and it wouldn't do it. I'm like, come on.
You gotta find the right GPT or the right AI
Right?
one. It's because there's ones that do pictures. If you do just the written one, like a regular Chat GPT, they won't do it.
Yeah,
Let's
that's,
go on the right side, face this way.
it was supposedly for pictures, but I don't know.
Really?
Yeah, it didn't want to do it for me.
There's been some interesting ones circulating of like I've seen like politicians or like chiropractors and stuff like that. So good. Top before. There we go. Face up there. I have to like tag this one as like Captain America gets adjusted. Good. So we sit up here. Or face that way. Let's work these straps just because you sit at a desk all day. Alright, I'll take a look down and to the right. And back up. And down to the right.
Well, it doesn't feel as bad as it normally does.
No.
That's good, I guess, right?
Definitely. Just getting the gunk out.
When do we usually like revisit X-rays and stuff?
After about 3-4 months.
Okay.
Yeah, so if we do it too often, you don't see much of a change. So we do it usually after like 3-4 months, about 24, a minimum 24 visits.
Okay.
It's just all about the reps, like getting the like motion in the joints,
Yeah.
and then you're slowly building on top of it. And to the left there. Yeah, the cool thing is you'll definitely see we definitely see changes. I had one guy, I don't know if I mentioned it before, 400 pounds.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, I don't know if we're gonna get much of a change out of you, bud. And sure enough, definitely have more motion, slightly better curve.
Oh, I'm looking forward to see where it's at.
Yeah.